Hello my students, how are you? We will solve a lot of questions about value and subtract and multiplication and division. Look at with me about question number 1. What is the value of 7 and 300? Question number 1. 376 million 148,206. He asked you about the value of 7 is this. The value will be 7 and we can write behind it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be 70 million. Okay, 70 million about question number 1. Letter C. Question number 2. Round. Look at here. Question number 2. Round 592 million or million. Okay, again 592 million 67,208 to the greatest place. Greatest place here 5. Okay, 5 and we can write behind it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the result will be 500,000. Again, question number 9. It was question number 9. Okay, from right hand side here. Okay, he asked you round this number to its greatest place. We can write 9 here and a 5 here, and behind it how many 0? 8 0. It will be 500 million. Question number 2. $900 subtract $46.54. Okay, we must equal parts about two number here, right point and double 0. Okay, 0 subtract 4 we can't do it, we must equal 1. 9 will be 8. It will be 10 subtract 1 equal 9, subtract 1 will be 9, subtract 1 will be 9. 9 minus 4 equals 6. 9 minus 5 equal 4. 9 minus 6 equal 3. 9 minus 4 equal 5, and we can write it here. The result will be 853.46. We must choose letter D. Okay, letter D. Question number 10. Estimate. Question number 10. You want to ask it about estimate. Okay, 4,632 multiply 221. You want to find, to estimate this number. Look at 4. 6 can give 1. It will be 5 because 6 more than 5. So we must write 5 here and behind it 1, 2, 3. And we can write 2 here because 2 less than 5. Can't give 1, 2. 200. It will be 200 equal, we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 0. 2 times 5 equal 10. Then the result will be 1 million. 1 million. Letter C about question 10. Question 3. How many times greater than 30 times 20 times, okay, again 30 multiply 20 as 30 times 2000. He asked about how many times greater than. Look at here, the result will be 600, and this number will be 6 what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 0 behind it, 60,000. So 60,000 equals 600 multiplied by 100. So we must choose letter B. Again, question number 3. Question number 3. How many times greater than 30 times 20 is 30 multiplied 2000 is greater than by 100? We must choose letter B. Question 11. Question 11. 946 multiply 608. We want to find the result about two number, operation about this number. Look at the step. 6 times 8 equal 48. Write 8 and carry up 4. 4 times 8 equals 32. 32 plus 4 equals 36. Write 6 and carry up 3. 8 times 9 equals 72. 72 plus 3 equals 75. Plus 0. 0 times this number will be 0. And we must put double 0 here. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 6 equals 36. Write 6 and carry up 3. 4 times 6 equals 24. 24 plus 3 equals 27. Write 7 and carry up 2. 6 times 9 equals 54. 54 plus 2 equals 56. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 5 plus 0 plus 6 equals 11. 1 and carry up 1. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 7 equals 15. 5 and carry up 1. 6 plus 1 equals 7. And we must write 5 here. So the result will be 575,168. Question 11. We must choose letter what? Be attention about choose letter P. That was question 11. Question 12. Find the missing dividend. The missing dividend n divided by 4 equal 12. We want to find the dividend here. Dividend here will be 48. Okay, if you want to find the dividend, we must find the result about quotient and divisor. Multiplication about quotient and divisor. Okay, n divided by 4 equal 12. Then n equal 4 times 12 equal 48. Question 12. It was question number 4. Question number 4. Okay, it was question number 4. Question number 12. We want to find the quotient about 26,588 over 34. 26 less than 34. We must write 265 divided by 34. We must cancel this digit with this digit. The result will be 26 divided by 3. 3 times 7 equal 21. 3 times 8 equal 24. So 34 multiplied by 8 equal 4 times 8 equal 32. Okay, 32. Write 2 and carry out 3. 3 times 8 equal 24 plus 3 equal 27. It's more than 265. So we must complete by multiply 7. 4 times 7 equal 28. 8 and carry up 2. 3 times 7 equal 21 plus 2 equal 23. It less than 238 less than 265. So we must write 7 in quotient here. 7. And here under 267, 238. 5 subtract 8, we can't do it. So we must borrow 1 from 6. 6 will be 5. And 5 will be 15. 15 minus 8 equals 7. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 2 subtract 2 equals 0. And we must drop this digit here. The result will be 287. It was nearest 2. So we must write 8 outside here in the quotient and 272 under here. 8 divide 8 minus 2 equals 6, 7 minus 7 equals 0, 2 minus 2 equals 0, and we must drop this digit here. The result will be 68. 68 divided by 34 equal 2. 2 times 38 equal 68. Then the result will be 782. About question 12, you must choose letter A. Another example, question 5. Question number 5. What is the prime number? We know the prime number has only two factors. The prime number can divide it by itself and 1 only, okay? Can divide it by 1 and itself only. So in this example number 5, which if is a prime number, we know prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, and so on. Okay, it's the prime number. So in this example number 5, we must write what? 13 is the prime number. Okay, we must choose 13. About question number 5, 13. Question 13. What is the grand common factor of 12 and 24? You want to find the grand factor, common factor. We can find it by divided 12 can divide it by 12. 24 can divide it by 12 and 12 can divide it by 12. So the grand common factor between them will be 12. But if he want to find the least common multiplication about them, will be what? Will be 24. So in this example, we must choose 12. The grand common factor between 12 and 24 is 12. But if he asked you about least common multiplication about two numbers, it will be 24. Okay, so we must choose letter C about 13. Question number 6. Which choose 18 over 54 in loose term. Okay, question number 6. He asked you about the simplest form about 18 and 54. We know 54 can divide it by 18. 18 divided by 18 equal 1. 54 divided by 18 equal 3. So we must choose letter B about question 6. It will be third. Question 14. Name the mixed number. We have two parts. He colored two parts. Okay, look at here. We colored the two parts. Okay, and how many parts from 10? 1, 2, 3. No. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or 6. He colored the 5 part from 6, so we must write 5 over 6. Okay, complete with me. Question number 7. Question 7. Okay, question 7. Find the missing number. 7 equal 6 and space over 11. We must write 11 here because 11 divided by 11 equal 1. It was question number 7. Again, 7 equals 6 and 11 over 11. So we must choose letter C. Write 11. Question 15. Half plus 5 over 6 plus 3 over 4. We want to find the result by least common multiplication. 4 and 6 and 2. We know least common multiplication about them, it will be 12. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 1 times 6 equals 6. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. 2 times 5 equals 10. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. And we can write 12 here. 6 plus 10 plus 9. 6 plus 10, 16. 16 plus 9 equals 25. So we must write 25 over 12. but you can simplest it. Yeah, simplest it. We know 2 multiply 12 equal 24 and the remainder 1, so the result will be 2 and 1 over 12. We must choose letter B about question 15. Okay, question 15, you must choose letter B. And what about question 8? Question number 8. 8 and 6 over 7. Subtract 2 and 1 over 7. We can find the result. It's easy because we have least common multiplication about them. This is what was 7. We have similar denominator. Then you can write 8 subtract 2 equals 6. 6 subtract 1 equals 7. 6 subtract 1 equals 5 over 7. The result will be 6 and 5 over 7. Question 16. 12 subtract 2 and third. We must convert from whole number to mixed number. 12 equal 11 and 3 over 3 because we have 3 in the numerator here. So 12 will be 11 and 1 will be 3 over 3. Subtract 2 and 1 over 3. 11 subtracted by 2 equal 9 and 3 subtract 1 equal 2, and we can write 3 in the numerator. Thank you, my students. You must choose letter A. Okay, goodbye.